or with the camera. You gotta be, yeah,
Thank you.
one more time, I'll show the full second frame. Like right here. Oh, yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Right. So we're trying to balance this Ronin S gimbal.
Yes, sir.
So we found out the first thing that we need to do is to balance the camera so that it stays up.
Yeah.
So that's adjusting this right here. We know our one constant is how the distance, this gap right here from the camera to the edge of the gimbal. So that's the one thing that we need to set.
Thing is
so first of all,
balance.
do this, make it stay, and then you adjust. What was it?
The
you
30, 45.
You adjust this section here. Right here. You adjust this so that when someone holds it here, so hold it here, Timmy, that it stays forward to a point, and then 45-degree angles.
Is that 45?
Yeah, yes. So that's 45. Yeah. So you adjust this after this is adjusted first to look straight up without falling back. Then we adjust this one so that it can move this in any direction and it's balanced. So we adjust this knob here.
You just balance it with my
And finally, Timmy, demonstrate the tilt. Demonstrate the tilt.
So yeah, we got the tilt. We go. Okay. So for the tilt, we point this thing forward, and we tilt, and nothing moves, right? Whoa, magic. So yeah, this thing is
Hey, Paul.
this thing is balanced and balanced. So how do you fire this thing up?
You turn it on.
How do you turn this thing on? Hold this.
No.
You hold it.
Look at the video.
How do you turn on a Ronin S? Oh wait. Does it have to go through the numbers?
In this one I thought.
No. It's the power button over here. But like for the power button, do we have to go through the numbers? Like how, you know how the drone, right? You press the thing and it goes through the
power button once to turn on the battery.
Oh wait. The battery's on though, right?
Yeah.
Press and hold the gimbal's power button to power on the Ronin S.
Press and hold.
Oh, okay. So it's like the drone. Okay, wait, guys. To put this on, it's like the drone. So you know how the drone, you press it and then you press all the way and it goes through. So you have to press this until this whole thing goes through. See, look at that.
If you have any questions, contact DJI.
Whoa! Watch this. Gonna get some cinematic camera angles here.
Are you vlogging now?
Aloha, boys. We're vlogging in this. We're vlogging. All right, guys. This is hold on. We should record this. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. We should record this. All right, watch this.
Is it on right now?
Yeah. All right, boys. We're gonna vlog. Hold on. I gotta. So you're supposed to like press it down and then it'll like re-access itself to the middle.
Sounds good. Thank you. Yep. I love this thing.
Okay, we're gonna.
So
vlog
Timmy,
this
did you
thing.
do it?
Yeah.
Excellent.
So we're gonna vlog this. Hold on.
I love how the microphone's not even plugged in.
I know.
Yes, sir, boys. Vlogging today. We're gonna show you around the office.
Tim, it's so close to your face.
Yeah, because he doesn't know this.
It's a wide angle lens, that's why.
We have Dustin right here.
Yep. Quickly add
No. We have everyone here.
Am I still recording him?
And we have Hamamoto.
What the hell?
That's not how model. That's Luke.
Are you calling it ugly?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Who
You
called
good?
you ugly?
Okay. So then you go like.
So your thumb is moving it.
Yeah, a little bit. So you go like that. Kind of like that. See how it is? Like, hold on. So like you wanna you can also control the sensitivity, but you just lightly hold on to your thumb.
Oh yeah, I
You
see
just-
it now. Yeah,
Go like that.
that's great. Okay. To do a pan extreme from the first all the way to the last. Oh. Yeah. Cause you're gonna do a walk pan.
The focus is gonna be hard though.
Okay. So go close. So smiles. Smiles. Lots of extreme skirts from a pattern angle. How does
High enough.
Doesn't work like that, I guess.
High enough.
I don't know. Take it easy, boy.
You're just so good. It's starting to drizzle.
The thing is, I've never used it before, so yeah, I don't know how you expect me to do it.
Oh god, okay, I got the shot rim.
And the focus doesn't track. There's no tracking on the Nikons. Wait, that is a thing then.
You're right there.
Nikon doesn't have tracking.
Is he recording?
Not for this camera. Now it is.
Okay, right there. So if you guys Hana her real quick. I just need like a twirl to see the skirt moving. Like, so yeah, so they're whenever they spin 360, that's the shot we need. Can you see it, Rem? You see it?
Yes.
The shot.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Take a break.
For some, it is a simple description of the cycle between heaven and earth. Rain was always seen as a blessing from the kupuna. When rain falls, the rivers and streams are full of fresh, drinkable water. The land is our grandmother. When she is healthy, we too would be provided for. That was the traditional belief, that heavenly water is not simply water, it is the water of life, and we are connected to it, body and soul. Hilo High School warmly welcomes you to our May Day performances on Friday, May 17th, 2019. The theme, We Kalani Ola Kahonua, When the sky weeps, the earth lives.